This is the beach at Secrets Moxché in Playa del Carmen. For those that have been before, we know that the beach is not very swimmable. However, I want to show this space because I was in love. This is the most beautiful beach space that I have visited in any resorts in Mexico, although I've seen prettier beaches to swim. However, this space is just very secluded. It's very nice. It's so spacious. And as you can see here, these cots were beautiful. At night, they have lights on. So you can also come at night and just be in this very calm space. The beach, as you can see here, it didn't have a lot of sargassum as in other areas of Cancun has. However, I'm going to say it depends on the day, depends on the week. I did find that it had a little smell, but it wasn't really rough because it has these barricades that you can see here for the beach to not be as rough to swim, and it's not as deep if you don't go past these barricades here. But as you can see, this space is just so beautiful. They did a very good job keeping it nice and big and spacious. There's drink service there. There's also the restaurant Cecil where you could just sit in, have lunch. I'm not sure if there's food service by the sand. We only had drinks, but I did really love it, and I want to take a time to acknowledge that because not a lot of resorts dedicate so much space and make it so beautiful as Secrets Moxché did. And here you can see the water is black. It's not very pretty to swim in, and like I said before, I did find that it had a little smell, but honestly I really enjoy just sitting in the loungers and having some drinks and just hearing the waves of the ocean. So I think it's a beautiful place to be at. And Playa del Carmen is not really known for their turquoise water, so this is not the side that you're gonna go for the beach, but this resort is just amazing. Did a wonderful job trying to make up for the beach area. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like, make sure you follow, share, and subscribe. Thank you.